Okay guys, no intro today cuz I wanna make this quick, so go to Butterfly Mansion. Now attack a Mizunoto Slayer, and follow me only works in this area. You may have to move closer, but if it clashes you're alright. I really hope this helps. It's fast if you move close enough. If you want to earn breath mastery, finish them off with breath.